Hey, Steve Basic Architect. We're out here at our House in the Woods project. So, let's talk about continuity for a second. You can see here on the wall, we have zip as our primary air barrier and our weather-resistant barrier. But notice in the double stud rough opening, we basically fold the zip into that opening. So basically, it's no different than installing a flanged window inside the rough opening to the outer plane of zip. We just fold it inboard here at the jamb, and then we attach our window somewhere in that mid-jamb range and use the typical brackets that come with the European windows, and those just get screwed off to it. And then we can deal with that joint from a weather resistive barrier aspect, but we basically just fold it into that opening. All right, Steve Basic Architect. We're out here at our cabin, our house in the woods.